This video should form part 2 of the nut, which is exercise 1120. So this one should be part 2 of that one, where we will be drawing a bolt. Greetings everyone, welcome to CADVentor Assist. So in this video, as I've said, we're gonna draw a bolt, and unfortunately for this one, we're gonna start by drawing it. We don't have a ready bolt that we can look on it, so we'll just start by drawing it, and then after that, that's when we can get like a picture, sort of a picture or anything like of a bolt. So without wasting your time, let me do what you are expecting to get in this video as you're spending your time watching it. Assuming that everyone knows how to open the Inventor now, we're gonna start with the 2D sketch. Remember, you can click here and then say start 2D sketch. And then for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use the XY plane. There is the XY plane. So we're going to go there on the create, choose a rectangle. We want the polygon. How many sides? 6. Okay. Go to the center. We open it. I'll try to use the dimensions for the previous video, which is exercise 1120, where we are drawing we were drawing a nut, and then I call it part 1, 2, and then this one, which is this video that I'm currently busy with, we're gonna call it part 2 of 2. It means it will be continuing from that one. So dimensions, I think here it was 18.48. Not sure. Please forgive me if it's wrong. It's 18.48. Oh, my numbers are locked. Okay, 13 point. Was it 18.48 or 18? Let me check. Okay, it's 18 point. It was 18.48 diameter. Then you're gonna click finish. The way we start drawing it, it's similar to how you draw a nut. And then you click extrude. Then the extrusion was 8. Yes, I'm gonna say 8. The thickness. And then I'll say okay. And then left click on it. Remember, you have to move your pointer along these functions, and then you're gonna see they have names. What I want to do now, I want to create a sketch on this thing, this side. Then the sketch that I want to create is that one. The diameter of this circle should be the same as the diameter of the of the polygon, which was 18.48. And then I think that one was an M10, so the thickness of the bolt here will be 10. Let's say finish, extrude. I'll start with this thing. I want it maybe to be, let's check, 20. Sorry, that is too much. 20. No, 20 is not enough. Let's try 50. Let's check. How does it look like? Is it not bad? Yes, that is fine. I don't know, it's fine. It's fine for me. I'm okay with it. So I'm gonna click add I'm going to click that circle now, and I want to intersect advanced properties. You have to open them, and then the angle that was given, I think it was 130, so we're gonna say 130 minus 180 minus 130, which will gives us 50. Gonna taper with 50. Okay, which means that is the part that I was supposed to start with. Let's undo. Undo. Let's start by that one. Intersect angle of 50 degrees. I want to add and to explode that one. I'm not intersecting. There is no angle. Or it's 0. Let's just say it's 0. The length is 50, it's fine. Okay. Oh, I'm tapping on the wrong side actually. Yeah, I'm tapping on the wrong side. I'm sorry. I have to exclude this part actually with 50 and say okay. I think next time when I'm drawing such things, I need to have it here with me, so that I should not forget how does a bolt looks like. This circle is supposed to be on that side. Then I want to intersect, open advanced properties, 50. Okay. I think this is how the bolt looks like. But I don't think it is that sharp, this side. Yes. Let's check for it. Let's check how a bolt looks like online. Okay, it looks like that's how the bolt should look like. And yes. And then we are going to chamfer here. Let's say you're gonna chamfer with 1 millimeter. Apply fillet here, so that the bolt is smooth. Let me chamfer with 1 millimeter. Okay. Then right and to thread that part, but I don't want to thread the whole thing. So I'm going to say, is it type? No, it's not type. No, it's not the one. Actually, now where do we control the? Let's check its properties. Here you just change the direction, whether you want it the threads to go to the right side or to the left side. I believe that this is the standard because all of us, we know that when you are unscrewing something or when you're fastening it or unwinding it, we just have a standard. Oh yeah, this is what I'm looking for, the depth. You can control the offset here. The offset is that plain part. So from where the arrow is, from this side, as the thread is on 14 millimeter. That means I want to offset 10 millimeter, as you can see. That's how you can offset it. So offsetting it with 10 millimeter, 10 millimeters, that's how it looks like. Or else you can simply measure. If you want to say you want to offset from there, don't know to which point, or you can, if you don't want to measure, you can also, let me check. Or can you move this thing manually? It looks like you can't. Yeah, but that's how you do it, guys. So is there anything else that is missing? You can click OK now. I don't like the thread. Let's change it. So if you want to edit something that is here already, as you can see here on your left, top left corner, everything that I'm adding on this object or on this bolt, it appears here. So thread is here. If I want the thread to be invisible, I think I can also make it invisible here. I'm not sure. Let me check. Is it possible to should I mention repeated delete? Or I can delete it if I don't want it. No, I can repeat thread. Yes. Advanced properties. Yeah, that's it, guys. And then obvious material. Generic is good, but not all the time. So it's still carbon. Yeah, I think that's how your bolt should look like. Yes. That's it. Thank you, guys. This was part 2 of 2. As I've said, it continues from the previous video where we are drawing the nut. Yeah, let me hope it's gonna be very helpful. I'm trying by all means to make sure that I start with basic stuff as we are still going to go for an assemble and do a lot of things there. So yeah, you have to know this and make sure that even if it happens for you to forget it, you can just come back and watch this video. Yeah, because actually you don't have to forget. This is how you draw, your bolt. If you want to draw a washer, I want to add the washer, but we all know what is a washer. Okay. The washer is very, very, very simple. I would just say for a washer, you need 2 diameters, and this where I need 18.48, which is the outer diameter, and then it's for the M10, which I need 10 millimeter, and then you can simply extrude it. I'm not sure, it will depend on the thickness, but some might be 1 millimeter, some might be 0.5. Yes. you also have to know how to do this. That is how you can draw a washer. Remember, most drawings where you are drawing a circle, you can also use the revolve feature. I think I've made a video where I was using the revolve feature. So you can just scroll on my channel and look for it. If you like to use the revolve feature for circles, for all those drawings that there are circles actually, yes, you can use the revolve feature. Some of them, sometimes you can't. Okay, guys, so thank you. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm still going to post a lot of things so that you can be notified whenever I post something. Yes, as you all know, the channel is still new. So I'm trying by all means to make sure that you don't miss anything. Thank you.